I don't know why does. Where's it? I don't know why does Subway is selling a little footlong for literally $60 though. Whoa, Subway. What year are we living in? The year 3000? Because why is it $60 for just a 12-inch sandwich? That's only 1 feet. So it costs $30 for just for 6-inch and $15 for a 3-inch. What's the problem with you, Subway, bro? Right, bro. You could literally go to the. Bro, you could literally go to. If you go to like Subway, bro. If you go to the Subway, bro. Right here. This cost $60, bro. This your price, bro. Well, this dude's getting mad because it costs $60 to get started on Subway. Bro, we need to go to like another country just to get better food.
Nothing at work. Nothing at work.
Bro, we have to go to like another country which is to get better prices though. Like bro. Boy, why do we have to go to Russia? Which is better prices, like, bro. Like what? Like what? Like, bro, why, though? Why? Like, excuse me, bro? Why does Subway have a $60 food long, bro? A $60, bro? I remember when those only costed like 50 cents, bro. Cause they're now like $60? That's crazy, bro. Are you? But bro, we have to go to 812, like 7-Eleven, just to get a. $39 cup. And Subway costs $60 to a food long. That's crazy, bro. I'm never going to Subway again.